Swimwear is exposed to many tough conditions. Follow these simple steps to extend the life of your swim shorts. Wrap your swimwear in a clean, dry towel and gently roll them up while squeezing out the water. Do not wring the water out, as the swim shorts may lose their shape. Lay flat or hang dry your swimwear in the shade. Avoid drying in direct sunlight, as this may cause the color to fade. When necessary, hand wash your swimwear in cold water. Use liquid detergent and avoid fabric softener. You can wash your swim shorts in a delicate washing program, but remember to wash them separately from other garments. Use a laundry bag and avoid hard spinning. Avoid ironing your swimwear. Fold or hang your swimwear in your wardrobe. For long-term storage, keep them in a well-ventilated place to prevent mold or odor. Now, you can enjoy your swimwear for years to come.